Now we are going to start with the new chapter, wave optics. In the 11th standard, we were familiar to various properties of light, such as reflection, refraction, dispersion. These are the different properties of light. And also, to explain the propagation of light, how light is propagated through the medium, and along with that these different properties, reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, all these properties of light can be explained, or to explain these properties and to explain the propagation of light, there were the different theories put forward by the different scientists. In short, in the 19th century or before that, there are two opinions. Some of the scientists explains wave nature of light, and according to some scientists, the light has particle nature. Therefore, to explain the particle nature or to explain the propagation of light, some of the scientists give the theories. Main of them is Newton's theory, Newton's corpuscular theory. According to Newton, light has particle nature, and according to Huygens proposed that light has wave nature. We will discuss this wave theory of light proposed by Huygens later on. First, we will see or discuss about the Newton's corpuscular theory to explain the propagation of light. According to Newton's theory, or the main features can be explained as, according to Newton's theory, light is propagated in the form of small tiny particles, and these particles are termed as corpuscles. Corpuscles means very small tiny particle, and therefore theory is named as Newton's corpuscular theory. This feature explains that according to Newton, light has particle nature, that is, light is propagated in the form of particles. So first point is light is propagated in the form of small tiny particles called corpuscles. Another point is, when these corpuscles enters in our eyes, we get the sensation of light. Then the third point is, these corpuscles have different masses, and due to different masses there are different colors in the light, different wavelengths or different colors in the light. These are the main features of Newton's corpuscular theory. The question is like this: explain the main features of Newton's corpuscular theory. There are some drawbacks also of this theory. For example, Newton's corpuscular theory cannot explain the properties of light like interference, diffraction, cannot be explained on the basis of this theory. So later on, another scientist, Huygens, a Dutch scientist, Huygens, in 1678 proposed a theory about the propagation of light, and this theory is known as wave theory of light, proposed by Huygens in 1670. According to Huygens, light has wave nature. But in the earlier of 20th century, it was accepted that light has dual nature, means light has wave nature as well as particle nature. So the features of wave theory of light we will discuss in the next. Okay.